Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video I'll be showing how to claim the daily cipher on Hamster Kombat for today, being July 26, 2024. So the Morse code for today is Genesis. Remember, today is 26 July 2024. So let's go and get the daily cipher here using the Morse code. So when you get to the daily cipher, you type in the code, and to type in G you do dash dash dot dash dash dot. For the E you do one dot. E is always one dot. For the N you do dash dot dash and dot. For the another E you do one dot, just one dot. For the S you do dot dot dot, that's three dots. Dots dots dots. For the I you do two dots, 1 2. For the last S you do three dots, 1 2 3. You take the price. That's it for today's video. Ensure you like this video, subscribe and turn on bell notification. Thanks for watching guys. Share also.